Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jazz, and in today's video we are going to be frogging a beanie that I made for my dad, and we're going to be remaking it. So we're going to be frogging it because it didn't come out as long as I wanted it to be. I'll show you guys just a comparison. This is a regular beanie unfolded, and then this is my dad's. So it is definitely longer, but just not long enough for me. I wanted it to be maybe like down to here. So I think I'm gonna take it apart and redo it, and hopefully then it will be what I want it to be. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me to do that. It'll be kind of like a tutorial, but not really, just because I've made a similar tutorial with the ear warmers, and it's pretty much the same pattern except a few different things, which I'll mention throughout the video. But if you guys are interested in watching that, then follow along and we're gonna jump into it. A couple minutes later, and I took the entire beanie apart. Okay, so now we're gonna start over. Originally I had chained 50, but I think I'm gonna do probably 70. So I will do that now, and then we'll come back. So now we have 71. Yeah, I think this is gonna be long enough. If it is too long, then he can just like fold it up twice, right? And I did 70 plus 1 for the turning chain. And then I like to just put my stitch marker at the end of each row so that I don't have to really pay attention or count. What we're gonna do is just half double crochets all the way across. Oh, I'm lying. All the way until we have 5 chains left on here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now, and then I will meet you guys back when we have 5 left on this chain. Okay. All right, so now that there are 5 chains left, what we are going to do is in the last 5, we're gonna slip stitch through them, because this is gonna be the top of the hat. So we're gonna slip stitch so that when we put it together, it's not as bulky at the top. And then I like to make sure that I do these loose, because my tension is generally very tight. So with my slip stitches, I have to make sure that I do them loosely so that it's easy to get into. So once I do that, you'll see here, this is what it looks like. It goes in a little bit, and then I'll do a turning chain or chain 1 to put my stitch marker on here. And then I'm going to do 5 slip stitches again, but this time it's going to be in the back loop only, so that we can create that ridged look. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to do half double crochets in the back loop only all the way until we get to the end. So you'll see this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to keep repeating this for about 12 rows, then I'm going to add some other colors into it, and I will meet you guys back then and just give you a few updates on it. Okay, so now that the hat is complete, we are going to take a darning needle, and I'm going to, let me see, this is the inside, but I'm going to take some yarn, probably about twice the length of the hat, and then I'm going to cut it off here, take my darning needle and put the yarn through. And then what I like to do is, so this is the loop that I had left over. I'm going to just pull that through there. It's hard to see because the yarn is black, but what I like to do is take just the back loop. So if you see here, this is the V, but I just take the back one of the side closest to me, and then I take both, you can't really see it at all, both sides of the other side and pull it through. So I'll try to do that again. Like I said, I know you can't really see it because it's black, so I just take the back side and then pull through 2 of the second row. So after editing, looking at the video, I realized that you really couldn't see what was going on. So I'm going to show you guys with a different color yarn, just so you can have a better understanding of what I'm doing. So I'm taking my darning needle and putting the yarn through, and then to put the ends together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what we're going to do is just, instead of going through both, we're going to just go through the back loop only, and then we're going to go through both of the second one. So pull that all the way through, and then the same thing, so just the back loop of the first one, and then both of the second one. So you go through again, and then back loop through 2, and then back loop through 2, and then back loop through 2. That is how I connected the hat. I hope this makes more sense and it is easier to see. So now that everything is connected, we are going to go through the top to close it up also. And then with this, I'm literally just going back and forth between the ridges of the rows that I made. So it'll be like that. And then I like to pull as I go because I feel like it gets hard if you wait until the end. And then it's closed up, and I like to use the free end just to tie it up, and then I'll go back and forth a few times just to make sure that it is completely closed. So if I put my hand in here, you'll see it is closed up, but you can see a little bit through. So I'm gonna just go back and forth there, and then I will show you guys the finished product. All right, so this is the finished product. I didn't get to cut off the ends yet, but this is what it is looking like. So you can see it is extra long. It doesn't even fit in the frame completely, but I'm assuming that how he is going to wear it would be folded up like this, and it'll still be pretty big on him. So this is what it is looking like. I hope he likes it. I'm thinking of embroidering something either here or up here. I haven't decided yet. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.